Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Excel Linguals. In this channel, you will learn about Excel and its tricks. In the last videos, we learned about how to open Excel, pivot table, slicers, and commonly used Excel formulas. And the most common formula in Excel is VLOOKUP. It's a very important and commonly used formula in Excel. In the last video, we learned about how to use this formula in VLOOKUP, and in today's video, we will learn about how to use advanced VLOOKUP. We can retrieve several columns of data at once thanks to this automation, which saves time and effort. We will explore many methods, such as employing array formulas, the match function, and the column function. Together, we can maximize the automation potential of VLOOKUP and improve our ability to retrieve data. It can be time-consuming and prone to error to manually enter each column index number in the VLOOKUP function when working with datasets that have several columns of data. Let us investigate 3 methods to automate the column index number in order to improve the efficiency of our data retrieval. By using the column function, we can dynamically calculate the column index number by using the reference column's position as a guide. This is how it operates. Take a look at the following table, for instance. 1. In your dataset, define a reference column containing the values you wish to use VLOOKUP to search for. Let us refer to the product name column in this instance. 2. To find the reference column's column number, utilize the column function in a different cell. The formula would be equals column A1 if, for instance, column A is your reference column. 3. Set the column index number in your VLOOKUP formula to the output of the column function. For example, equals VLOOKUP, product B, A, D, column D1, false, would be the formula to extract the category of product B. In this manner, if you duplicate the formula over several cells, the column index number will change automatically. Making use of the match function, we can dynamically determine a particular value's position within a range by using the match function. We may use it to automatically determine the column index number as follows. To determine where the appropriate column heading should be placed within the dataset, use the match function. For instance, the expression equals match quantity A1, D1, 0 would be used to retrieve data from the quantity column. Utilize the match function as the column index number in the VLOOKUP calculation. In this manner, information from the column that matches the given header will be automatically retrieved by the VLOOKUP function. Employing array formulas. Using array formulas, we can process numerous cells at once for calculations. Array formulas and VLOOKUP can be used to automate the retrieval of many data columns. Here's how to go about it. Select the range of cells where you want the data to be retrieved. Enter the following array formula, equals VLOOKUP, lookup underscore value, table underscore A, column, table underscore A, false. For instance, to retrieve the price, quantity, and category of product C, the formula would be entered as an array formula in 3 adjacent cells, equals VLOOKUP, product C, A, D, column B1, D1, false. Instead of using column B1, D1, you can directly specify the column numbers using curly braces A. For example, if you want to retrieve data from columns 2, 3, and 4 from the master table, you can modify the formula as follows, equals VLOOKUP, product C, A, D, 2, 3, 4, false. Consequently, you can effectively get many columns of data without the need for manual modifications by utilizing the column function, the match function, or even array formulas. Do not forget to define a reference column and to dynamically find the column index number using the column function, match function, or array formulas. These methods improve your ability to get data, particularly when handling intricate data sets. To further improve your Excel skills, stay tuned and follow me for next posts where we will go further into Excel's advanced features and strategies. Post your questions and comments in the comments area. Together, let us succeed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.